Hello everyone.
Hi everyone.
And welcome back to the Dog and Partridge, the place of own fine craft ales. If you haven't met him before, this is my world famous not going out brother, Alan Partridge.
This is my world famous not going out brother, brewmaster Dave Partridge.
Hello everyone.
Hi everyone.
And big news, bro, big news, as we stand here today.
What's the big news, bro?
Boom! 1,000 subscribers.
Thank you, folks.
Thank you, folks. Now then, YouTube works a little bit funny, so he's not come up with the name of the 1,000 subscriber.
We're not trying to get out of anything.
Not trying to get out of it. We would never do that. Not to our subscribers. So the very next subscriber will be our 1,001 subscriber, and they will be receiving a prize. Whoever that is.
Who that is? It's the one that tells in YouTube, tells Dave what you know when somebody subscribes.
Yeah.
Who it is.
Who it is.
It'll be them.
It'll be them.
So here we are in the DMP.
Yes.
Cheering people up and bringing them beer information.
Let's hope so.
What have we got aboard tonight, bro?
Yeah, well, we've got on board tonight. We've got quite food, to be fair.
Ooh,
We've got one old peculiar from one of our brew friends.
Right, okay.
We've got some Ruby Red from St.
Okay,
Peter's.
yeah, cool.
We've got a full grain Guinness.
Christ.
And we've got a full grain two-hearted.
Oh, that's supposed to be the best beer in the world.
Dun, dun, dun.
We'll be sure that. Right then, bro. Should we get started?
Yeah. Right, one of my brew friends, Wayne Dawson, dropped a couple of bottles off the other week of his Old Peculiar Part Mash.
Okie dokie.
Continuing the dark side theme.
Old Peculiar Dark Mash. Thanks, Wayne, for dropping bottles around. It's very kind of you.
Dark side. It's from Dark Rock.
So this is from Dark Rock. Have we made this one before or not?
We made this one before, but we have never tried it in bottles. So for all those people who do bottling,
Oh yeah, it's got some life in that. Oh.
I thought I'd give it a go. I could have a re-review if you like, but not really because we don't do bottles, really, do we? So
It doesn't hang around long enough to be in bottles, quite frankly.
I might sound crazy in bottles, quite frankly.
Good nose.
Got a good nose.
Nose to it.
Yeah. Now, Wayne did say the kit's supposed to come with some candy sugar to add into the brew.
Okay.
When he got brewing, he found out candy sugar wasn't in there, so he make his own candy sugar.
How do you make candy sugar?
I had a clue. He googled it, and
Well, there you go.
there you go.
Right, I'm going in.
Yes.
Now that's not bad.
That's right. That way, well done.
Ooh.
Yeah, bit of fizz in there with the bottle, and the smoothness is still
That's
there.
actually really, really nice.
Yeah, it does make it with bottled water.
That's really nice. That's part mash.
Mm.
That's cracking, Wayne. So that's Dark Rock,
Part grain.
part grain. Sorry, it's Dark Rock, part grain, and
Tribute
it's
to Old Peculiar.
tribute to Old Peculiar. That's fantastic. Well, I'll give
Definitely
that.
10 out of 10 again.
I'll
mate.
give that 10 out of 10 straight up. All that. That's fantastic, Wayne. Beer number 2. One brewed on the premises, I believe.
This one is actually brewed on premises, yes. We have done this a few years back. We thought I'd do it again. And this time, I just thought I'd see if there's any difference by putting in a corner keg. And all I've done different really is add pure brew. Now you get pure brew from quite a lot of places, brew to you or brew to bottle or something like that.
Okay.
There's a place down, the Own Brew shop down at Hampstead, they do it as well. And of course Dark Rock.
Okay. So this is St. Peter's Brewery Ruby Red Ale. Oh, I certainly remember doing this, or I remember you doing it a few while ago. Comes in one of these little boxes.
Yeah.
Out there, folks.
Lovely little 2-tin kit for you to dissolve your 2 tins of malt extract. And just add your yeast and away you go.
So does the yeast come with it?
Yep.
So the yeast, the only thing you need to get is what you said just at the start on it, yeah.
And of course, as if you don't know, these kits are made by Muntons. They team up with the head brewer down at St. Peter's. They come up with these recipes and then they dish them out.
Cool, excellent. Oh yeah, it says there, manufactured in the UK by Muntons PLC. There you go.
There you go.
Rightio then. Let's see what this one's like. Ooh. It's
A bit of a grown
got a
up.
squeaky ample there, bro. Ooh. Yeah,
There's a nice good malty nose to it.
that's very malty.
Isn't it?
That's very malty, isn't it?
A nice red colour as well when you hold it up to the light.
Oh yes, yes. Right. I'm
going in.
I'm going in.
That's cracking.
Nothing wrong with that.
That's cracking. Nice and smooth again. I think it's smoother than I remember it as well. I don't know if that's been in the corner keg or whatever, but that's nice and smooth. Tell it's a red rye ale.
Yes. Again, probably not my favourite sort of style of beer, but yeah, this is a lovely, full-bodied, rounded taste. It just does it what it says on the tin, basically. It's cracking, that is.
If you haven't tried that, try it, because these brewery kits that the Muntons are knocking out are supposed to be pretty much like the real thing, and that is pretty cracking.
I imagine that is pretty much like a real thing. If you walked into a pub and got served that, you're not going to moan about that in the slightest, are you?
No.
It's fantastic.
On the ampoule for a cornet, and yeah, it's just as you get in the pub.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
Out of 10?
You know what, from extract kit, 10 out of 10.
Yeah, I think I'd go with him on that, you know. I think I'll, yeah. Even though, like I say, dark beer's not necessarily a thing, that's cracking.
Mm. Well, I wouldn't call red dark, would you?
For me, yes. You know me, I like my blonde beer.
Well, we'll stay on the dark side then.
But I do like a bit of Guinness.
You would, just in time for the Guinness Six Nations, I brewed
Guinness! Right then, this is one from Dark. I'm guessing by the size of the box, bro.
full grain.
It's a full grain kit.
Yeah.
There we go. You sure to see these before, people. Here we go. Yeah.
Big bag of grain, boiling me Brew Devil there,
Okay.
and away we go.
Yes, so this is, obviously Guinness, we all know what Guinness is. A delicious dark toffee coloured stout with a light head. The distinctive aromas of roasted barley malts, toasted chocolate and coffee come through from the first taste. Blah, 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 everything in the box. Do we know what sort of percentage this one is?
I think Norman Guinness around about 4.5 into 4.
Oh my life, that looks
Look at
good.
that, look at that. You can see, I don't know if you can, that camera will pick that
I'll
up.
take it on the camera.
I've just poured some in there, and that's how Guinness reacts as you pour it in the
You
pub,
can
doesn't
see
it?
that on the camera. It might not work, but have a look at that, maybe. Can you see that in there?
Yeah.
Oh,
That's because I'm actually using 70-30 Shaw mixed gas.
is that all mine?
Right, that was yours.
Oh, lovely. Oh, that's got lots of toffee and chocolate and oat and coffee and everything going on there. Just smelling it, hasn't it?
Yeah, I think that smells better than real Guinness myself.
Oh, well, there's a modern thing for Guinness to be served really cold, isn't
Really
there?
cold, yeah.
And of course, that will knock the aroma
Yeah.
almost
yeah.
out of it, won't
Yeah.
it? So,
Yeah, there is. I mean, this pump is like what they call an extra cold pump. But I've just got it stood outside in my shed, and I've even got a little greenhouse heater in there just to keep the absolute freezing temperatures off it. So it'll still be cold, but not stupidly cold.
I'm going in.
Going in.
I'm going
Cheers.
in. Cheers.
Bring on the Six Nations.
Nothing wrong with that, bro.
Is there nothing wrong with that at all? Is there?
Oh. I didn't have a little leaf in the top.
Oh well, I ain't quite mastered that art yet.
Apart from that, that's brilliant.
That's spot on, isn't it? Would you say that's spot on, Guinness?
I'd say it's better.
Yeah. Guinness.
Guinness, they don't know what they're doing, do they? As I say, to me, every time I seem to have Guinness in a pub, it hasn't been a while, obviously, it's too cold.
Yeah.
That is, I'd say that is nearly bang on the right temperature.
Yeah.
It's not too cold, it's not warm, anything like that, but that is, just look at that sticking to the glass there, look at that. Ooh.
The legs.
Oh. Straight in with 10 out of 10.
Straight in with 10 out of 10 there, Dara.
Brilliant, that.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll be having a few of those in a little while when we watch England thrash everybody, hopefully.
Well, nobody else will be playing, will they? So
Well, no, nobody else has got going.
Anyway,
moving on.
Swiftly on. Fourth beer.
A fourth beer than Dom and Partridge.
Yeah.
Hey, we're bringing everything here.
Right then, here we go. This is the one. The Malt Miller.
Oh yes, I got this one from Malt Miller.
This is a two-hearted clone premium kit. This stunning beer is consistently voted as the best beer in the world.
Tall claim there, bro.
That's a tall claim, especially being some of the beers you brewed in here, bro. I'll tell you what I'm saying now, A classic American West Coast IPA. I believe this is quite strong.
He brewed to 6.4 when I did it.
Ooh!
There you go.
That's not a session beer, is it?
6.4.
£32 for the kit, and all the instructions are on
£32 for the kit. They only did have the premium kit in stock. They do a cheaper kit, but the premium kit contains liquid yeast. So this is brewed also with liquid yeast.
Okay.
Now, one thing about malt minnow is you do have to place an order if you want free delivery over £100. But I've got another brew friend called Phil Welch, and he was ordering. He said, "Do you want to?"
Oh,
So
fair enough.
I've got a few brew friends about, and you
Come together.
Come together.
Yeah.
It's a great way of saving a bit of postage and packaging. Right, what we're saying?
Well, I don't know.
Some grassy notes.
There's a lot of grass going on there, isn't there?
It's almost like smelling a lawnmower box.
Almost heading towards lemongrass as well. A little bit, you know.
Yeah, there is, isn't there? A bit in the background, there's a bit of lemon, isn't there? Yeah.
Right.
Right.
Here we go, people. We're going in. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh.
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 You don't like it then?
That's lovely.
I'm not sure if it's the right thing to drink straight after Guinness, but...
Oh. You know I said lemongrass.
Yeah.
Was there any in it?
Don't know, but it feels like there is.
If you like lemongrass, you're all right.
So, not only can you feel the strength, because my cheeks are now
instantly on fire.
I'm not sure if I like that.
I'm not keen.
I'll never know the taste.
No.
There's way too much Sentinel in there for my It's way too much.
Moly. It's just too punchy.
It's too punchy. It's almost like it's cleared my nose out. It's almost like sticking your head in one of those.
It's almost sour.
It's not sour.
I
No.
don't know, now my mouth tastes like sour. It's just like lemongrassy,
Yeah.
sour, punchy. No,
It's just too much of everything.
that's not for me.
You get, like I say, you can feel strength. It's nice and smooth. It's about the only good thing I've got to say for it.
I'm crying.
Best beer in the world?
No. If it tastes like that, I mean, if it's a clone kit that tastes like that, and the real beer tastes like that, ooh,
And whoever voted that the best beer in the world?
I think we need to sort them out, bro.
Well, what was it on? Was smoking something at the same time?
That's, I don't know, out of 10, mate, for me.
If a lot of people out there have made this kit, let me know. And you think that's the best kit in the world ever, or the
There's
best
no.
beer in the world, there's no.
Put it in the comments.
We're obviously wrong. We just don't know, do we?
I like to think I know my beer. I've had quite a few years drinking it. I'm not even going to try it again, not now.
It's the dryness. It's the dryness. It's just okay. A good beer wants to just dry your palate out nicely and leave you nice and longing for another beer. This is just totally. It's even took the roof of my mouth out to be dry.
It has left me longing for another beer, bro. It's left me longing for a Guinness. Well, that's me Guinness.
Yes, I think I should be going back to the Guinness.
Oh, that's better.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh. I don't want to insult you with my out of 10. So, what would you give it?
That's a good question. Could I drink it? I'm going to have to drink it.
I couldn't drink that. And plus the fact it being 6.5% nearly, a couple of pints you're going to be wrecked.
I think it's done one of them beers you're going to have at the end of the evening.
Have half a pint of it.
Yeah, I've got gum and you leave 3/4 glasses, bro.
They do.
You bought me one. So you
can, you know, if you like your glasses and things, Hobgoblin do these nice little 3/4 ones. And
that's what that wants to be in.
We've got little marks for half pint as well, so they're quite handy, them things.
That wants to be in then. End of the night, instead of having a shot of whiskey or something, have one of them.
Have one of them. It does your cheeks the same.
Keep you up most of the nights. And it'll help you clear your nose so you won't snore either.
No, it's not better. Right then, bro.
Right then, bro.
What's on next then?
Go on out. Have a look.
We've got Harris Bitter.
And that's a 1 tin kit from Dark Rock.
One tin kit?
Yeah.
Oh, right, okay. We've got Dark Farm Blonde. Oh, I don't like a blonde. I haven't had a blonde for a bit.
Me neither.
And Dark Rock Bathams. Have we not done Bathams before?
Yeah, but this Bathams is full grain.
Okay, full grain Bathams.
So this should be even more like
Bathams.
Boythams, I think to say.
Boythams.
Dudley.
There's no Y in it.
I know, but that's I got told that.
Oh, right, okay.
By one of my subscribers.
Right, yeah. Right, I think that's about it for tonight's waffle, isn't it?
I think that's about it for tonight's waffle. Hopefully we'll see you again soon. Until then,
YouTube.
Oh, yes.
YouTube. If you're watching us on Facebook or any other platform, get over to YouTube and hit that subscribe button, please. We're over the 1,000.
Oh, that's how.
We're over the 1,000, but there you go. Let's keep on going up.
Keep on going. This time next year, Rodney.
We'll still be in lockdown. Anyway.
That's about right there.
Are we done then?
I think we're done. It's a goodbye from him.
It's a goodbye from him.
Turn around.
Turn around. I'm not